Neda pidang dunaro, shimshu sakane.
Ni, kabishibun mo.
Pantang syue jan bagatu kebriu klim, te ho. Ngate bat pangannya tarkot sisendon.
Good.
Tasma bahai kijan. Men step porbumi na yang utak da kesen ayu, bat nda lawan pai tasma da kesen ayu. Sabishar baha.
Nasian ngala ong nyapau nium deu pa jong pa yan
Dili, lino, usalai kami.
bat ya meh kat nasian ngala ong jian ka khut jong mem so tho
Kumar ne ka juk kerduk kam ha ka bagi kena bat kesam lai ki duk jengkerman bat ban ngop ki kam ki boman Henry ka don pat ka jengkerman na ka banda ka jongki ha ka ka district implement exchange ribo district Nongpoh ha ka jengker lang ka directorate of implement and craftsman training Meghalaya le bat ka tanat labor implement and skill development jong ka sarkar jela ha ka khat khandai trik kula lengkat kala Pynlong ka job fair ajar pun rew na ka bantai ki sam lawat kam jong ka Bhoi district ya ka bala Pynlong ha district library Nongpoh ha ka ne ka singil awan ban sakhi bat ban pli ka ne ka job fair da usi agwasti ISSDO pada khmat civil subdivision aka jindoran kat ke kong JM nong kendri district implement officer Bhoi district lambat palat spangut tam ki samlawat kamna Bhoi district.
So from our previous job fairs there were many placements and we are very happy to report that we have the children who have, from employment exchange, the ones who have attended the job fair have been placed in various organizations and one of them is placed in Kotak Mahindra. His name is Pynlong. He has been a success story. He joined Kotak Mahindra and then he has been very successful. Unfortunately, he could not come today.
On behalf of the district administration, for you to have come forward with such enthusiasm and such optimism in being part of this program today. I hope that whatever objectives that you have set forth for your respective organizations, they get aptly fulfilled by these talented youngsters from Bhoi. So once again, thank you. Just one request to you, do not be bogged down by technical qualifications. Many often I see, because not so long ago I was also in college and we used to organize these job fairs. So I can tell you you also would have been at some point of your time seeking a job, so you know it. Everybody has gone through the same process. But it's a big day for all of them who have come here. Many of them would be nervous. Many of them would be, may not be up to the mark. Be kind and forgiving at times and do not compromise on the qualifications part of it, but still, as much as possible, try to play along with them. And now finally, I'll keep it short. I have a few other meetings lined up, but to the job seekers, congratulations that you've gotten such an opportunity. When we were going through life, we didn't know about job fairs or any such things, everybody was on their own to figure out what to do with life. But it is a very good opportunity. Try to make the most of it. What I would request you is, again, my personal belief has been that barring all the qualifications, the technical qualifications, the graduations and whatever, if there is one skill in life that I have found to be of utmost help to me, it is confidence.